2050, humanity is facing an imminent threat: antimicrobial resistance, AMR. Around the world, people are at risk of dying from simple infections due to the widespread overuse of antibiotics, 70% of which is in animals. New strains of germs have evolved that are able to resist known antibiotics. According to the UN's World Health Organization and the One Health Initiative, AMR is one of the biggest threats to human health, endangering the lives of millions worldwide. But we are here to help stop this threat by leading both the dairy industry and animal health into a sustainable future with our game-changing solution.
Mileutis has achieved the first goal in its quest to help human and animals lead healthy lives through the development of safe and residual-free therapies for animal health care based on natural peptides. Mileutis is achieving One Health, animal and human.
For decades, the #1 challenge facing the dairy industry has been mastitis, an infection that affects the cow's udder. There has been no real solution for treating and preventing mastitis, other than massive use of antibiotics, costing the global dairy industry tens of billions of dollars per year until now.
We have developed a unique and innovative sustainable technology based on natural and safe peptides derived from milk to prevent, treat and manage mastitis and additional indications. Our solution can help reduce the use of antibiotics in dairy farms by up to 90%.
Our proprietary protein-based therapy contains peptides derived from natural milk casein, which stimulate and increase the activity of the immune system in the udder to reduce, prevent, treat, and manage mastitis with equal or better efficiency than the currently used antibiotic interventions. The application of Imilac, our leading product, is very similar to the currently available treatments, with one major difference: it's a non-antibiotic product, better for both animals and humans. In addition to replacing antibiotics, Imilac improves the cow's well-being by accelerating milk cessation at dry-off at the end of lactation, significantly reducing the cow's discomfort. Additionally, case-controlled, randomized, multi-center clinical trials showed that Imilac increased the cow's milk yield, bringing significant economic value to the farmer. Imilac's annual sales revenue potential is conservatively estimated at more than $1 billion globally.
Mileutis strives to achieve optimal health, recognizing the interconnection between people, animals, plants, and their shared environment. We have developed a technology which can considerably reduce the usage of antimicrobials and hormones in the dairy industry, and we are working on additional applications. We have completed several successful case-controlled, multi-center clinical trials and are now in the process of gaining regulatory approval and establishing our manufacturing lines for the sale of Imilac in Israel, the United States, and Europe. This natural product has been deemed completely safe by the European Medicines Agency, which determined that it does not require a maximum residue limit evaluation. The company holds a broad portfolio of IP, including more than 52 patents with 10 patents pending. Our expert team continues to grow as we look beyond the animal health market towards human health. Join us in our mission to transform the global animal health industry. Together, our game-changing solutions will ensure the future of both animal and human health.